Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ashwagandha for fertility. Ashwagandha, an ancient adaptogenic herb, offers promising benefits for reproductive health. It's known for its ability to help the body manage stress, which is a significant factor impacting fertility for many. For men, it may enhance sperm count and motility, while for women, it could support ovarian function and hormonal balance. Understanding its proper use can be a valuable step in your wellness journey. When considering ashwagandha, understanding the right dosage is key. Most studies suggest a daily intake ranging from 300 to 600 milligrams of a high-quality extract. You'll find ashwagandha in various forms, including convenient capsules, versatile powders that can be added to drinks, and potent liquid extracts. It's always wise to begin with a smaller dose, perhaps 250 milligrams, and slowly increase it to find what works best for your body. For optimal results, consistency is paramount when taking ashwagandha. It's not a quick fix. You'll typically need to take it regularly for at least several weeks, often 8 to 12 weeks, to truly experience its benefits. You can take it with or without food, whatever feels most comfortable for your stomach. Some prefer taking it in the morning for sustained energy, while others find an evening dose helps with relaxation and sleep. Before incorporating ashwagandha into your routine, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. This is especially important if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any existing medical conditions, such as thyroid issues or autoimmune diseases. Ashwagandha can interact with certain medications, including sedatives and immunosuppressants. Always listen to your body. If you experience any adverse reactions, such as stomach upset or drowsiness, discontinue use immediately and seek medical advice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.